Want to access the My AI chatbot on Snapchat? Follow these simple steps to get started. My AI is a new feature on Snapchat, similar to the popular ChatGPT, where you can interact with an artificial intelligence system and ask it various questions such as travel ideas, recipes, gift suggestions, and more. Firstly, ensure that your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. If you haven't already, update Snapchat through the App Store on your device. Once updated, open the Snapchat app. Navigate to your Snapchat profile by clicking on your profile picture. From there, access the Snapchat Plus option. Please note that accessing My AI requires a subscription to Snapchat Plus. The subscription costs approximately $40 a year or $4 a month. Keep in mind that My AI is currently an experimental feature and is only available to Snapchat Plus subscribers. However, Snapchat plans to make this feature available to all Snapchat users in the future. If you decide to subscribe to Snapchat Plus, you'll find the chatbot located in your chats. Simply open it like a regular chat and start using it. Please note that this feature is currently available only in the United States. If your region is not set to the United States, you may need to adjust your settings. If you prefer not to subscribe to Snapchat Plus, you can wait until the feature is rolled out to all users. Once available, you'll be able to access My AI without a subscription. That's how you can access the My AI feature on your Snapchat app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment below and subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching and see you soon.